Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play on a Nintendo console, so let's get you set up. First, make sure your new Nintendo console is fully charged. This often takes about 3 hours for a complete charge. If you are playing on a television, connect the console to the dock, then link the dock to your TV using the included HDMI cable. Finally, pair your preferred controllers, following the on-screen instructions, which usually involves pressing a small sync button for a few seconds. Once powered on, it is essential to get comfortable with your controller. Most games utilize the face buttons, typically labeled A, B, X, and Y for primary actions, while the 2 analog sticks control character movement and camera views. Remember, the shoulder buttons, such as L, R, ZL, and ZR, often serve for secondary actions like aiming or sprinting. The home button, usually found on the right Joy-Con or Pro controller, always returns you to the main system menu. Navigating your Nintendo console is quite intuitive from the home screen. You will see all your downloaded games as large icons. Simply select one to begin playing. If you are looking for new adventures, head over to the Nintendo eShop, represented by an orange shopping bag icon, where you can browse and purchase digital games. Don't forget to check the system settings, found under a gear icon, to customize options like screen brightness, sound, or controller vibrations. To maximize your gaming experience, remember a few key tips. Regularly check for software updates for both your console and individual games. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. Pay attention to your console's storage. You can free up space by archiving games you are not actively playing. Finally, always power down your console or put it into sleep mode correctly, which helps preserve its battery life for up to 20 hours, depending on the model and game, and protects your saved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.